A fintech rarely has one crypto switch. RSA encryption sits in one worker. Curve policy is pinned in a proxy, and data can outlive both. KeyShift turns that scattered risk into a migration rehearsal without pretending to certify production security.
Here's the working product. This is a 12-service synthetic repository running locally. One click starts a bounded scan. KeyShift parses Go, JavaScript package metadata, and configuration without executing target code. 11 supported findings appear, with one unsupported Rust file recorded as a coverage warning.
Open a finding. The claim stays attached to its component, source path, line, rule version, and SHA-256 span hash. Then add the human facts the scanner cannot know. Statements are retained for 10 years. A transition horizon of 2032 is a scenario input, not a quantum prediction. That puts the long-lived statement flow ahead of shorter session traffic. Confidentiality and authenticity remain separate decisions. The migrated run persists locally with restrictive permissions. Exports preserve every evidence link and assumption.
The controlled canary changes one variable. A classical TLS 1.3 endpoint negotiates X25519. Beside it, a hybrid endpoint negotiates X25519 MLKEM768. Both use the same ephemeral synthetic certificate. The container is digest-pinned, non-root, read-only, isolated to loopback. The private key lives in temporary memory, and exact labeled resources disappear after the run. This is a test canary, not a deployment recipe.
Compatibility is part of the result. This machine's current OpenSSL client succeeds against both endpoints, but the constrained classical profile offers only X25519 to the hybrid-only endpoint. It fails exactly as expected. KeyShift keeps that failure visible because one modern client success would hide rollout risk. Then a second boundary test refuses an endpoint not marked authorized before DNS or any network dial. The refusal is written to the local audit log.
Now, the measured evidence, 2 warm-ups, then 8 recorded iterations with raw timing and error output preserved. The hybrid handshake carries roughly 3.3 kilobytes versus 1.1. Wall time includes process startup and describes this machine only against the frozen 12-service gold manifest. All 11 supported findings are true positives, 0 false positives, 0 misses, 0 unsupported high-confidence claims.
The live event currently lists no mandatory sponsor API, so KeyShift makes no sponsor claim. The real provider integration is a digest-pinned open quantum-safe reference image, reporting OpenSSL 3.6 and OQS provider 0.11 from runtime output. That evidence drives a phase plan, fix policy, run an opt-in cohort, keep fallback, and retire classical assumptions only after measured gates and human approval.
KeyShift is bounded. It can miss dynamic crypto use. The hybrid TLS group remains an internet draft, and local compatibility is not production certification.
But it makes the next migration decision evidence-backed, reproducible, and reversible.